I will quickly walk you through on how to show someone's picture in incoming call on iPhone. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step is to get to the Contacts app on your iPhone. It comes pre-installed on every iPhone. So look at my here, so I'll tap on Contacts. As the contacts open, get to the contact, the phone number you want to add picture on. All right. So here, let me work with Melody. Okay, so you'll be taken to this page. Tap on the edit button at the upper right. Be taken to this page and you can see the add photo option here. So tap on the add photo. Then you'll be taken here. You have camera, you have photos, you have emoji, you have monogram. So on the assumption that I've saved the picture of this person on my iPhone already, so I'll go with the photos option. So I'll tap on it. Then select all. So this will display all the pictures you have on your iPhone. Okay, so look at this young lady here. That's the picture I want to use, though that's not the real Melody we are talking about anyway. So I'll tap on it. Then you can see the picture is placed here with the name. So if you want to make changes to the name, you tap on the name and maybe make any change. You can increase the size or change the color of the picture, but I'm okay. So let me tap above and I'm good with this. You can crop the picture to how you want it to be or make any other adjustment, but I'm okay with this. So tap on done, then tap on continue, then tap on continue again, and now tap on done. But before then, you can see the phone number here is not complete because this is for tutorial purpose. So I'll tap on done button at the top right. And now anytime Melody calls, this picture here will appear. Okay, so use this method to add any picture you want to add to a contact so that once the person calls you, the picture will show up. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion. If you need something else, please still say that in the comment section. And hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on some things about iPhone. Thank you and see you next time.